Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create a flowchart in Microsoft Word. First, open Word and go to the Insert tab. Click SmartArt, then choose Hierarchy on the left. Select the organization chart and click OK. Click the arrow on the side to open the text pane. Delete the sample text and type your steps. Use Enter to add steps and Tab to create sub-steps. For example, start with A, then add a decision like B, add the outcomes like C and D and what to do in each case. To change shapes, click the shape, go to Format, then Change Shape. Use the Terminator shape for start and end and diamond for decisions. Select the connecting lines, go to Format Shape Outline and choose arrows. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.